Hello YouTube, this is the 11th video in our JavaScript and Canvas Minesweeper game development tutorial series. In this video we're going to be working with RightClicks. First thing I just want to do fix up something from the last tutorial that I left out. Inside of our timer function we didn't add a little s after the number of seconds, and I just want to make that clear. Where did that go? Okay. Alright, moving on. We're going to add a new window event. So, we're going to say window.onContextMenu equals a function. This is the right click event, and we're going to do a little e here. e.prevent default, which prevents the browser from showing a little context menu, and we're going to do this again. Okay, we are going to change this variable name var right clicked x var l clicked x and y, and that's an r. Okay. And then we are going to add, we're going to create an array var clicked r clicked b boxes. And on right click, okay, so we're going to make a variable, and that's going to be, that's going to check. Let's see here. So we're going to check to see if the box has already been right-clicked, and if it has, then we're going to toggle it to not clicked. But if it hasn't, then we are going to add it to the r clicked bs array. So I is less than r clicked. Or actually, we'll just do for I in r clicked base, and our variable up here is going to be in r clicked base false if r clicked base is equal to sorry, catching up on some stuff we missed. Make sure these variables are the right ones. If that's equal to x and is equal to y, then we know that it's already been clicked, and we want to say that it's already in the array, so we want to remove it from the array. If in r clicked bombs is equal to false still, then we want to add it to the array. So we're going to say r clicked base dot length, so that we add it to the end. 0 is equal to clicked. Geez, these R's and RClicks are all throwing me off. Okay. Now we want to do that with the Y value also. Okay, so if it is already in the array, then we want to, we're actually going to make this multi-dimensional so that we can store the array item or index that the already clicked one is in. So then we do RClicked bs dot splice, which is a function that removes the an item from an array, and the item is going to be in RClicked bs 1, and the number of items to delete starting at that point will be 1. So there you have it. Now we have to modify our draw function. Draw canvas. Sorry, this video is kind of dragging on, but we'll be done soon here. So if we're gonna have to loop through this array again, but with the other one. Yeah, sorry. So copy and paste that down here. Change this to RClicked. Change this to RClicked. Change this to RClicked. Change this to RClicked. Change this to RBinClicked. And don't know. If RBinClicked 1 is equal to true, then we know it's been clicked, and we want to draw our black. This is going to, we're going to need to make another variable for that. We'll call it flag. Because that's what it's typically called, but ours isn't going to look like a flag, it's going to be a black box. And it's going to be called flag. Alright, now we can draw that flag image. Else we will draw the box, the standard box. Okay, kind of guessing this isn't going to work, but we'll see. Okay, so we just didn't define that. Okay. We have an error. Looks like it doesn't think RClicked BS is an array yet. Sorry, I'm a little off here. Okay, I see what's going on here. We just need to make RClicked BS this an array, because we have to do that to do multiple dimensions. Good error checking, guys. Okay, still got the same problem. Okay, so I think what we have to do is save our n's equal to that, because this here would be 0 and then this would be 1, because this makes the length 1 longer, so the length is different here from there. So we're just going to get the initial length and use that with all of them. Okay. So, looks like we have a functioning thing here. The last thing we want to do is see if there are 10 placed things and no unclicked boxes, then we're good, and we call the win function. So we have to check that every time the onContext menu is clicked. We only need to check that here, so we can do it here. We're going to count the number of items in the right-clicked BS array and the number of items in the clicked BS array, and if they add up to the width here, which is 10, times the height, which is 10, so that'll be 100. That'll be the number of squares. If they add up to 90 and there have been no bombs clicked, then the player wins, basically. We also have to make it so that they can't use more than 10 right clicks. So we'll say we'll make a variable var right clicks is equal to 0, and then if right clicks is less than 10, then we can say right clicks we'll just do that right here. If right clicks is less than 10, then right clicks is going to get 1 added to it, and we're going to do this stuff. That might be less than or equal to 10. Yeah. And if it's greater than 10, and then this is going to do right clicks minus minus. Okay, so that doesn't let them do more than 10 right clicks, hopefully. 6. So we got 5 there, and we got, yeah, I was right initially with that. There's 5, and that's all we'll let them do. Okay, now we have to do this thing. So let's see, we have to, let's see, we got var total clicked is equal to r clicked bs.length plus 1 plus r clicked, or no, plus clicked bs dot length plus 1, and I'm adding 1 to each of these because they start at 0. Or no, we don't actually need to add 1. So if it has 1 item in it, if there are 90 boxes clicked and 90 boxes flagged, or 10, if there are 80 boxes clicked and 10 boxes flagged, no, if there are 90 boxes clicked and 10 boxes flagged, then we will call the win function. So if this plus this, if total clicked is equal to 100, then we'll call the win function, which we need to make, and we'll figure that out in a different tutorial. We'll just do console.log for now. Come on, give me a 0. Okay. So I'm gonna play like I'm actually playing here. It doesn't, I can't actually lose, so. Okay. We didn't get a U1. Dang. Just quickly here. This is a very long video. Sorry about that. We will log we also have to do this check when we're just regularly clicking, which I think was the problem. Okay. I'll do this once quickly. Hopefully it works. It's kind of a pain in the ass. If it doesn't, what was that? What on earth? It's weird the way that works. We need to figure that out later. What I'm going to do is just click around here. Okay, that's a bomb, 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 that's a bomb. You won. Alright. So our win function is getting called at the right time. That's it for this video. We'll figure out the rest of that in the next one. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.